So when I ask the question, that's basically to prompt you, because I may edit the questions out, so you can glance at me, and then when you respond, and you look this way.
Yes.
Alright, I'll hold on the mic. So just for the sake of the camera, you introduce yourself and your portfolio.
Okay. Should I be leaning like this?
Stay as-
Okay. I'm Elizabeth Kelly, the manager at Centromed Surgical and Endoscopy Center.
That's okay. That's fine. Right. So you have to keep your eye view at this level, right? Okay, Elizabeth. Today, the beginning of a collaboration that we think is going to bring tremendous benefit to those who will partake in the My Senior Card. Tell us a bit about what actually transpired today.
Okay, so today we introduced the My Senior Card and how it impacts on its members. So in particular, and how it relates to Centromed Surgical and how Centromed Surgical could be a part of the effort. You enjoy, as a senior card member, 7% off on colonoscopies and gastroscopies, in addition to 7% off on wound care services and 7% off on all surgical procedures done.
All right, cut. So when you continue to speak, do not look down like this. So if you want to look, if you don't want to distract yourself, kind of just have your eyes floating, but don't change direction like that, because then that shows you go across and rather than up or down. Right. So just all right. Let me prompt you again. Tell us, what are some of the benefits that will be derived from this in terms of what is My Senior Card offering now to these citizens?
So at Centromed Surgical, we do same-day surgical procedures, and in addition to advanced wound care and endoscopy. So we have a value-based endoscopy, and so you can do two options. You have an upper GI, which costs anywhere between 2,800, and which entitles you with your card to 7% off, with a colonoscopy, which is a look from your rectum into your digestive tract and ending at your colon. And it actually is something that everyone over the age of 50 must do as a preventative measure. Those scopes cost 3,500, and you are also able to enjoy 7% off. You can even do a combination of both, and those you can get at $6,000, and again, 7% off. With our advanced wound care, we have the most modern wound care specifics. So, for example, we have negative wound pressure therapy, and that is what the norm is in the UK and in the US hospitals. So that is offered here in Trinidad by our wound care consultants. We do total contact casting, and we do have the advantage for quicker wound repair with a special herbal products that we use only at Centromed. Again, that entitles you to 7% off. With regard to same-day surgical centers, Centromed is the only place between Valsayn and South that offers a same-day surgical theater. That means that once you are the ideal candidate, and your surgeon has recommended that you need this procedure done, you can come to Centromed, meet with our surgeon, and have an assessment there. And you can come for surgery 7 o'clock in the morning, and you are in your home by 6 in the afternoon once you are able. And again, 7% off is offered at Centromed on those procedures.
So, Elizabeth, in a nutshell, what makes this difference from the citizen just walking into a regular doctor's office?
Right. So Centromed Surgical and Endoscopy is the same care and the same qualified surgeons you will get at other bigger hospitals. The advantage we have is that, yes, you get the same qualified surgeon walking in. We do not have the larger overheads of a big hospital unit, so that value and that cost savings can be passed on to you. And certainly, I mean, that's what we're all about. It's value-based, but quality is never compromised.
Thank you so much. Very good. Perfect. Very good.